Well, at the heart of this federal shutdown, of course, is the healthcare ACA subsidies. And with this now dragging into its second week, those ripple effects are being felt right here at home, from federal courthouses like this one to airports and healthcare facilities.
That's the bottom line. People are going to be dying everywhere.
Pamela Rivera calls the San Bernardino Adult Day Healthcare Center her lifeline.
If I didn't do this, I wouldn't have no socialization. Then, and then I'm able to eat at least 2 good meals a day.
This 66-year-old also credits the center's rehab room for helping her to walk again. But under the Trump administration's One Big Beautiful Bill, this center faces major funding cuts, putting Rivera's lifeline at risk.
For seniors and adults with disabilities who depend on adult day facilities, Medicaid isn't just health insurance, it's a lifeline that allows them to live with independence and dignity.
Congressman Pete Aguilar visited the center to spotlight the 44,000 Californians who rely on Medicaid-funded adult day programs, now caught in the crossfire of the government shutdown, with Democrats blaming Republicans for walking away from a bipartisan spending bill last December.
They backed away from a deal because Donald Trump and Elon Musk told them to. So we can't take their word for it anymore. They're going to have to put up a real bill and have negotiations and discussions with us.
The shutdown, now in its 10th day, is taking a toll on military families facing delayed or missing paychecks. Federal workers also paying a high price in the shutdown after the Office of Management and Budget confirmed layoffs have begun, stating, quote, they would be substantial.
What it will mean is that the federal government won't be able to meet its core services that the public expects.
And for everyday Americans, the fallout could hit close to home, from flight delays to the food we eat.
You go to the supermarket, you can buy hamburger meat and your kids are not likely to get sick. And that's because you've got federal food inspectors who are ensuring that the food you eat, the medicine that you take, are actually safe.
And some of those other core services include the federal courthouse here when it comes to criminal and civil trials. We're also talking about Veterans Affairs and Defense. California, home to the second largest federal workforce here in the country. Reporting in Riverside, Leticia Juarez, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.